Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from Kirby, Kirby and the Forgotten Land. I'm going to show you how to draw a Waddle Dee as a little Usher, like a little movie Usher. So Usher Waddle Dee. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to do a little bow tie. So the bow tie is at the bottom of the head here before his little feet. So I'm going to do a little square and then we're going to slant on upward, curve, come on down, and then slant back to that square. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, only it's the mirror opposite. Okay, so next I'm going to do the inside of his face, I guess, so the inside shape of it. So I'm going to come on out from that bow, curve on up a bit. So far it looks a little silly. That's okay. And we come on up, 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 and curve. And we're going to come on outward, and we're curving and coming on back to that bow. Now right here, we're gonna slant downward. And see how we got kind of thick right here and then way thinner up that way. Okay, so I'm gonna color this in all dark. Kind of looks like an eyebrow. And now the other side. And now right here, I'm going to do a circle and one over here. And now I'm going to do the little hat. So above this part, let's say right here, I'm going to do a little bit of a curved line. It's not a totally straight line. And I'm going to come on up a little bit and go across this way and then down. Now I'm going to do a little line right here. So we've got the top of the hat done. And here we're going to do a stripe. So now that's the hat. Now we're going to go from the hat and down, down, down. We're going to do the shape of the body. Curve in here by the bow. And over here, we're going to do the same. Come on down. Come on in here by the bow. And I'm going to do a little arm here. And another one right here. And now we need 2 feet. So the feet, just like the arms, are very, very rounded, which, I don't know, I think it makes them look super cute. All right, so there we go. We're finished our drawing, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, so we're finished our drawing of our cute little Waddle Dee Usher. Thank you for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for whatever our next doodle is going to be. All right, everyone, goodbye.